Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the fourth International Conference on Applied Zoology 2021. I'm Ramahid from Department of Zoology, Wildlife and Fisheries, University of Agriculture, Faisalabad, and today's my topic of presentation is taxonomic studies of suborder Calipha orthoptera of district Bhakkar, Punjab, Pakistan. Taxonomic studies actually the studies of classification. Here we'll discuss about the classification of Calipha on the basis of morphological characters and different behaviors. Here are some contents of my study that are introduction to Calipha, morphology of Calipha, importance of Calipha, objectives, material and methodology, results and findings. I discuss about the taxonomy of Calipha, that is a part of introduction of Calipha. Calipha belongs to the order Orthoptera. Orthoptera means straight means having insects. It's a most prominent and most primitive group of insects. Calipha further divided into superfamilies, families, subfamilies, genus, species. About 2,400 valid genera and 11,000 non-species exist all over the world that relate to Calipha. Here, some superfamilies are discussed that are most prominent, like Acrodidae, Pygamyphoidae, Tetragidae, Eumasticoidae, Tridactylidae. The next one is morphology of Calipha, that is the base of taxonomic study of any group because morphology play a major role in taxonomic studies. We run the keys that based on morphology of any organism. Calipha derived from a Latin word calum, which means engraving tool. These names refer to them because of their feeding behavior. They are cosmopolitan because of their feeding behavior. They are herbivore, omnivore, and also carnivore in feeding nature. Morphological characters include head, mouthparts, antenna, thorax, abdomen. Abdomen, head, dorsal side, pronotum, tympanum, and tarsi. Wings and legs. Their antennae are club-shaped. Here are some objectives of my study that was designed to identify different specimens up to species level, morphological description of the identified specimen, to prepare the taxonomic keys for further identification. Here are some importance of Calipha. Calipha, as we discussed about Orthoptera, same like Orthoptera, Calipha has great economical importance due to its damaging pattern. Actually, these are the migrating insects. They migrate from one place to another place in another place in the form of flux. Actually, when they move from one place to another place, they cause a huge level of damage to the agriculture. Ability to indicate the change in climatic condition. Actually, when climatic conditions change, they change their living behavior. Association with the food web. In different areas of the world, grasshoppers and locusts and caliph used as a food. Therefore, they have a association with food web. Important pest for agriculture because of their feeding behavior and damaging pattern. They have a great importance in agriculture. Damage to cotton balls, beans, pods, damage to the leaves of plants and grasses. Taxonomic research, they have a great importance for taxonomic work. Here, material and methodology. This study was conducted during 2018 and 2018 to 2019 in different parts of Bhakkar, district Bhakkar, like Mankera, Klurkot, and beds of Indus River. The first step is the collection. Sample collection was done by appropriate entomological tools. These tools are nets and hand picking also done. Some specimens were brought in the new insectary taxonomy lab in collection nets. This lab is situated in the Department of Entomology, University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. Specimens were shifted to poison bottle for immediate killing, then removed and mounted. For pinning, placed on thermopore sheet and were mounted by using an entomological pin number 16. If we ignore these basic thing or pin number, then we can damage the specimen. The specimen were pinned vertically on the right side of the scutellum. For future studies and preservation, place them in wooden box because if we can't do this, we can damage the specimens. Here are some results of my studies. Taxonomic keys based on taxonomic characters, as we discussed earlier, of Calliphera up to species level was prepared to facilitate their identification. The next one is indicate the existence of superfamilies of all over the world. Out of them, only 5 present in Pakistan. Actrodide is the most existing species of with uniform distribution. These five are earlier discussed in this presentation. Diversity of Bhakkar and industrialized areas different in size and color. As we know that in agriculture area, environmental conditions are most favorable to any organism because in industrial area, industrial stress also exists that can change the behavior of any organism. Therefore, their size and color change in industrial area and in vegetative area. In Bhakkar, their size and color vary from one place to another place. They are larger in size and bright in color, but in industrial area, they are small in size and darker in color. Conclude remarks. Actually, Bhakkar is the best place for study of Sabata Califra, and here a great diversity of Califra exists in different parts like Lurkor, Mankera, and Indus River beds. Huge diversity of Calipra present in its desert areas like Mankera, Hyderabad, Thal, and in vegetative areas, Indus River beds, and Kacha area called near to city area. There is a huge amount of Califra existing. Future remarks. Helpful in future for further taxonomic study, helpful for future analysis and identification with the help of taxonomic keys up to species level. Bhakkar is the best target place for future taxonomic study for Califra, and there are some reasons behind the selection of Bhakkar area for the taxonomic study of suborder Califra. These are environmental impact, industrial stress is very low, diversity at a high rate, the climatic conditions are most favorable in desert areas of Thal and vegetative areas of Indus River. Here are some references that relate to my study and my presentation. Thank you for your attention and question, please.